Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme Q5 Pro device, and now I'm going to show you how to clear your browser data on this phone. If you want to clear the browser data, you need to open your browser. I have opened it for the first time, so I need to find something in the YouTube to see my to create my history. So now, if you want to clear your history, you need to click on the three dots button on the right top corner of your browser. Then just find history here, and here you will see history of your internet surfing. Here click on the cross if you want to delete separate item from your history, or just click clear browser data for all the time and clear data. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.